Alex, finish your breakfast. Your school bus will come soon.
Okay, Mom, I am almost ready.
Do not forget your backpack.
I have it right here.
We should leave now. The bus may arrive early.
Stay close to Lily at the stop, Alex.
I will, Mom. I promise.
Walk slowly, children. We still have enough time.
Come on, Alex. Stay beside me.
I am coming. I am just excited today.
The bus should be here soon.
Yes. Please stay away from the road.
Mom, look. Something is moving near the curb. Alex, the bus is coming. Come back here. Just 1 second. I found this paper. Hurry. Do not go too far. The bus is here. I do not want to be late. Lily, keep your bag close. Okay, Mom. I will. Alex, where did he go? Oh no, he's not here. Excuse me, does this bus go to Murray Elementary? I think I might be on the wrong bus. It's okay. This one doesn't, but I can help you find yours. Excuse me, I think I'm on the wrong bus. This isn't my stop.
Don't worry. We'll make sure you get where you need to go safely. It's all right, son. We all make mistakes. Don't you worry, I'll make sure we get you home safely.
Alex, where is he? Alex! Alex was near the bus, but is now missing.
Don't worry, we're almost there. The people inside will help you find your way.
Okay. Thank you, sir. He's not at the pickup area. We need to start looking now. Copy that. Initiating school-wide search protocol. All available personnel report to the main hall.
Ethan, Alex is gone. I can't find him anywhere. What do you mean he's missing? Where did you look? Emma, tell me where you are.
Here, drink this. You're safe now, Alex. Everything is going to be all right.
What happened? Are you two okay?
There was an incident in the hallway. I'm not sure what happened. Take a deep breath. It's okay if you can't remember everything right now. Maybe you can draw me a picture of your street.
I take the bus right here. And this is my house.
Okay, I understand now. We'll get you home safely. We've got a direct line to the regional transport hubs, and they're checking all nearby bus and van routes right now. Tell everyone to check the bike path first. Ethan is driving as fast as he can. We need to find him now. Excuse me, have you seen this little boy? He was wearing a striped shirt.
We can't find him anywhere.
Oh dear, I'm sorry. I haven't seen him. We're contacting your family now, sweetie.
Is he okay?
Oh, thank goodness. He's safe. He's safe. Yay, Alex is safe.
Faster, Daddy. Look, there's the sign.
Oh, we made it. I can't believe we're finally here. Oh, thank goodness. There you are.
It's okay, buddy. I'm here now. Everything is fine.
I was so worried. I'm so sorry.